Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable fingerprint unlock into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to enable the fingerprint unlock, you just simply have to open your Bitget and then tap to this dotted icon into the top left corner. And after tapping into there, select your profile from this section where you will get this option of security. Tap to security and scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get this option of fingerprint unlock. Just simply enable this toggle for fingerprint unlock, but before that you have to enter your password. Now just simply enter your password at very first. Now, after entering your password, just simply tap to confirm button, and after this you have to verify your fingerprint. Just simply put your fingerprint on and your fingerprint unlock will be activated. This way you can very easily do this. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.